The girls.
The most attractive element in skin whitening ads is like a female.
The way they're produced.
The white woman.
Beauty of the actor or actress.
Beauty of the actress.
Nothing.
The model.
Beautiful women.
Well, there are none.
Beauty of the actress.
Ideally, it should be the woman on whom the skin whitening is working.
Nothing.
Well, I think the beauty of the person, the looks.
Finding first true love.
Well, for men, I think it would be like getting the perfect girl or getting the perfect job.
That everyone is black and people can get fairer.
A girl finds a good boy in the end of the day.
That if you apply these products, you'll get a really good husband, a groom, and you'll get a job and this and that.
Living a good life.
I think it's the story, and it makes you feel more independent and more concerned about your looks, and I think that's a very positive thing.
Being successful in the end.
She finds her true love.
Being the most attractive girl. एक लड़की होती है, she's not successful, and then to be successful she needs to be fair. Success can be measured in any way, like a job or getting a guy, stuff like that.
I think a successful life after that.
That you're a black, ugly guy, and that you can become the most richest and powerful person by having a skin whitening cream. Reactions?
It's bullshit.
Hilarious.
They are fake.
Bullshit.
They're stupid.
They are well made.
मतलब काफ़ी घटिया है क्योंकि आप मतलब एक तो women की respect के it's against it.
Well, I'm kind of numb towards them.
They're giving very false hopes. I don't think anyone should buy them in the first place.
I think they're terrible. I hate such ads. I would never watch them and I would never buy anything because of such an ad.
Personally, I'm an advertiser, so no. I am on the other side of the table.
They're pathetic.
They're very annoying.
Bullshit.
Beauty. How do I define beauty?
यार एक मिनट रोकेंगे तो
Beauty is.
How do I define beauty?
ब्यूटी क्या होती है बाद में बताऊंगा तुझे इसमें नहीं बता
Beauty is on the inside.
I'm the hottest guy in Zappos.
Tall height, fair skin, and beautiful eyes. That's it.
I don't know how to define beauty. The media does it pretty well, I think.
Something that we appreciate.
Well, beauty I think is mostly about basically is inside people. It's not outside, and whatever's inside it reflects them from the outside.
Beauty is different with different people. Beauty, I think it's very about your self-image, how you feel about yourself, and I think you need to dress well to a certain extent to achieve beauty. It depends from person to person, though.
Beauty, I can define beauty.
Beauty is something, aesthetics is something personal. Everybody will have a different perception of it. What is beautiful to me is not necessarily beautiful to you.
Beauty is much more than what the ads offer. It's supposed to be a personality. Too many elements are supposed to define beauty.
I don't know how to define beauty. I mean, it's a large word.
A rose can be a rose, but can also be turned into a perfume. That's what beauty is.
To some extent, I do. Like it obviously affects everybody. You do want to look like an ideal person. So to that extent, yes.
Not at all. Not at all.
Nope.
No. Why? Because it doesn't affect me.
Not at all. Not at all.
To some extent.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, probably I do.
No, it doesn't affect me.
Well, I'm not influenced by anything.
No.
Well, if I said no, that would be a fake answer because people always look to other people to change their image.
Sometimes.
I like it. I have short hair.
Women.
Sexy. Boys, they look like boys.
I think it's kind of funky.
Same as with long hairs.
Dominant.
Women with short hair unattractive, really.
They look better in long hairs.
छोटे बाल वाली मुझे नहीं मज़ा देती.
Tomboyish. Perfectly fine.
Independent.
Well, they look exactly as pretty as they should.
I think it's as much a choice, a personal choice, as it is for men. I've had long hair and short hair, so why shouldn't a woman?
I think that's also kind of funky.
It's pretty cool. I'm all for it.
Carefree.
Carefree. Crappy. Good.
Gay. But it's a personal choice.
Cool.
Yeah, they're perfectly fine either.
Different?
Men with long hair, well, that's something that I don't have an opinion on.
वो जमील के लिए हैं.